Hello wonderful people, welcome back to the video. In this video we're going to be talking about getting started and placing your first trade in the foreign exchange market. Alright, so in the previous video we went over how you can analyze forex charts, understand forex charts, support and resistance, and also trend line and moving average and the rest of them. So today I'm actually going to be showing you how to get started from registering your brokerage firm account to placing your first trade in the foreign exchange market. So on today's topic, we are going to be first looking at a brokerage firm, like using a brokerage firm to set up an account, what brokerage firm is recommended and which is best for you to use out there, especially as a beginner. Right, then we'll talk about demo and live trading, and then I'll show you how to carry out execution on your trading platform with your brokerage firm. All right, so without further ado, let us dive right into the video. So first things first, when you want to get started in the foreign exchange market, you need a brokerage firm, because this brokerage firm acts as a third party that helps you carry out your transaction in the foreign exchange market. Right, they connect you with the market, and that is why you definitely need them. You need a brokerage firm account. So the recommended #1 brokerage firm that I recommend newbies to trade with is the Exness. Reason being that it is easy to deposit and withdraw your money. It is easy for you to get started with. All right, there isn't much stress in opening up an account with Exness, and the verification process, it is very smooth and easy, and that is why it is the #1 recommended brokerage firm that I recommend. So to get started with Exness, all you need to do is use the link in the description below, head on to the home page and follow the process how I'm going to show you now, and you'll be able to register an account in less than 2 minutes. So Exness actually provides you with numerous benefits: instant withdrawals, ultra execution, and very low spread on assets like gold and other major currencies. All right, so you do not have to worry about swap charges and every other form of commissions to pay, because you actually have a swap free account. And the amazing part I love about Exness is that you can withdraw your money even on weekends. Right, so if you have been trading during the week and you want to spend it, you want to spend some time on the weekend, you can easily request for withdrawal, and your withdrawal will be processed in less than 5 minutes. So first things first, use the link in the description below, head on to this homepage right here. What you're going to do next is click on this register button, and that should redirect you to another page where you are going to fill in some details. All right, so this wants to confirm if you are human. All you need to do is click on the verify you are human button right here. And now once you have been redirected here, all you need to do is input your country of residence, choose your email address, input your email address, choose a password. Now while you are choosing your password, you want to make sure that your password is between 8 to 15 characters. It has at least one upper and one lowercase letter, and you just make sure that all of these buttons over here are ticked green. Right, so for example, if I am creating my password, I need them to be ticked green. All right, so make sure that all of this is ticked green here so that you'll be able to create your account. And then you do not need to input this partner code. All right, all you need to do is click on continue, and once you click on continue, your account will be automatically opened. All right, you get an email sent to the email address you use in registering this account, and you just need to verify your email address and the rest of them. So if you do not have an account with Exness, you just follow this step, open your account. But because I do have an account, I would simply just sign in. So upon clicking on the registration or continue button, you will be redirected to the Exness terminal, which will tell you that you have successfully created an account with Exness. Alright, so what you need to do now is to go to your dashboard menu or your personal area, and to do that, all you need to do is click on this button right here and click on personal area. So that should redirect you to your personal area, and you get to see where you can actually make deposit, withdraw, and even verify your account. All right, so this is your personal area. You can see you have deposit, withdrawal, transaction history, analytics, which you can actually use to look at the economic calendar and look at other views, especially the fundamental aspect of what people are thinking about a particular currency pair or a particular commodity. All right, so once you are here, you can create a real account or a demo account. All right, whichever one you choose. But upon signing up an account with Exness, you would have an automatic demo account being created for you. So let's go So we're going to go over how to create an account. All right, so be it real or demo, the process is the same thing. Now once you are on your account right here, all you need to do is click on open new account, and then you should be redirected to this page where you choose the standard. Now there are different accounts you can open. All right, now this particular standard account is actually a good and recommended account because it is swap free. You do not have to pay for any commissions. As you can see here, there is no commissions. You just have to pay little spread that comes with the asset you are trading. So we are going to click on this place right here. You choose if you want MT4, which is MetaTrader 4, or MetaTrader 5, but we are going to stick with MetaTrader 5 since it is the recommended, and then click on continue. Right, so once you click on continue, you can actually choose this to be a demo or a real account. Right, so if you click on real, that means you are going to be opening up a real account. If you click on demo, it means you are going to be opening up a demo account. So right here, you can actually fix your leverage, your starting balance for your demo account, your currency, and every other thing about the account. All right, so I'll just edit this to 1:200, and edit it because I'm creating a demo account. Leave it as standard, and I can actually choose any password right here. So choose your password, make sure all of this right here are ticked green, then you should be able to create your account. So once you have selected your password for the account and clicked on create account, your account should automatically be created in less than a minute. All right, so you can see right here, account pending, we are preparing your account, and you can see we now have our demo account being created. So in order for us to carry out any execution on our accounts, you can actually choose your real account to trade on or your demo account. Now you can actually connect this account to your MetaTrader platform by using your password and then your account information to actually log into your MetaTrader. And to do that, all you need to do is go to account information right here, and then you see your account ID and every other thing. So this is your server right here, and this is your MT5 login. So make sure you copy the server, go into your MetaTrader 5, input this, and then your password, your login password, would be the password you actually selected or used when creating this particular account. Now another way you can actually practice on a demo is to use the XNES web terminal. All right, and to access that, you just need to go to the XNES terminal by clicking on this button right here, and you move on to the XNES terminal, and that should redirect you to this page right here where you can carry out practices on your demo account or even trade on a live account. Now for those of you who do not know what a demo account is, a demo account is an account that you actually use in practicing. It has demo profits, which are paper money that you can use in practicing, which is what we just created. So this is a demo account that we can use in practicing, but when you do deposit live, you are going to be trading with your live account and the amount you actually deposited into your live account. But then it is recommended that if you're a beginner, you need to actually practice a lot using the demo account before ever thinking of going into a live account. That is why I recommend that you always do seek information, get to know more about the financial market, especially the foreign exchange market, improve yourself, improve your edge in trading. And how can you do that? You can actually do that by following us, liking this video, subscribing, and also visiting our personal learning area at www.coinanality.com, of which you can use the link in the description below. Head on to the Coinanality website, get to learn about so many things about the financial market by going to the rewards area and watching those educational videos there. They are going to help you because they are insightful videos about everything you need to know about trading the foreign exchange markets. So once you have actually created your demo account or your real account and you are ready to trade live, now this is after you have actually gotten enough experience, you have traded with the demo account for some while and you have an edge in executing. All right, you can now come into whatever platform you want to use. Say for example you want to use the XNES web terminal to carry out your execution. All you need to do is carry out your top-down analysis, and we are going to do a quick top-down analysis on gold, right, which is this chart we have over here. All right, so first things first is to start by identifying the order flow of the market. So on the to identify that, we can see that the order flow is actually bullish on the daily time frame. Now we can drop into the 4-hour time frame and see the current market structure. So we can see that price is actually creating higher highs, and if we use our trend line tool, which is something similar to that of TradingView, where we talked about how you can use this tool here in drawing on your chart. Alright, so if we use that trend line tool, we can see that this is also an uptrend, telling us that the market wants to go higher. So right here, what we do when the market is in an uptrend or is in a bullish movement is we want to buy. All right, we want to buy. So what are the support levels or resistance and support areas we can find? All right, so we can see this resistance area over here, and if I should use rectangle, we can see that we have a resistance area over here, and you can also see that price has recently bounced off this support area from here. And price is heading towards this resistance area. So my target will be this resistance area, and then I can refine my entry by going into a lower time frame and looking for the same thing. All right, so we can see this area of resistance here that is actually broken, that potentially acted as support over here. All right, so what is this right here? This is a flip zone. And a flip zone is when your resistance area fails to hold. You can see it hit here once, it hit here twice, and then price broke above it. Now once price breaks above your resistance area, it becomes a flip zone where you can actually flip buyers from looking for short positions into going long. And then we can see that flip zone. Now it is high time we buy this market, because we know that if this resistance level has been disrespected, we can now buy. And in order for us to place our trade, we need to carry out our execution using this button right here. So we need to use on regular form. You can use on one-click form or regular form, whichever suits you, and you click on buy, new buy order. All right, so this is the market or the pending market. So if you are using a pending market, it means you're going to be setting a limit order that is going to be executed at a later time. But if you're using a market order, it means your order will be executed at this current market price. All right, now we know that we want to buy this market, and we know where our take profit is. What is take profit? We discussed this in previous video. Now, in order for me to set my take profit, all I need to do is click on this add take profit over here and drag it to this resistance area here. And then in order for me to add my stop loss to protect myself from enormous loss, all I need to do is click on that and drag it to this point here. All right, so by using my lot size, I can actually increase this lot size over here, and I can actually increase this to one standard lot, which will represent 100,000 units of this particular pair that I'm looking at to trade, which is gold. All right, so if I put this on one lot size, I can now click on confirm buy, and my order will be executed. And you can see right here my order has been executed, and I can check that by clicking on this button over here. Right, so you can expand this button over here, you can expand this, you'll see your positions that you have currently on. So you can see we are currently floating on negative 30 something dollars, so we know that this market is going to buy. So you're just going to hold on to this to see if price actually reaches this area and know how to manage the trade. Now the next video will be on how you can actually manage your trade, risk management, and the rest of them. Make sure you stay tuned in and you do not miss out on that. And we are going to cover risk management and also how to control your emotions when trading the foreign exchange markets. And this brings me to the end of this video. Make sure you do not miss on the next video where we'll talk about risk management and controlling your emotions when trading.
Learn and earn with CoinLearnity. Ready to boost your knowledge and get rewarded? With CoinLearnity, every minute you spend learning turns into real rewards. Here's how it works. 1. Sign up or log in to your account. 2. Head over to the Rewards tab in your personal learning area. 3. Watch our free video tutorials and earn CoinLearnity tokens for every minute you spend learning. The more you watch, the more tokens you collect, and those tokens can be redeemed for amazing rewards like gift vouchers, trading bonuses, cash rewards, and more. Don't miss out. Start your learning journey with CoinLearnity today and make every lesson count.